Welcome to Math and Me. By this video we are going to discuss about n term of arithmetic sequence. Our question is how to write an expression to represent a sequence of number 6, 9, 14, 21, 30. We'll find next number, n term, and 30th and 100 number. Let's start. Look, the string number is string number what? 6, 9, 14, 21, 30. We don't know the number dot dot dot. So first what we will find out from the sequence, this is difference. So what is the difference? Look, here is 6 and here is 9, so difference is 3. Okay, so 6 plus 3 means 9. What is the difference? Here is 14 minus 9, it means 5. Look, this difference is not same. Here is 3 and here is 5. Let's see next one. This is 21 and this is 14, so difference is 7. Look, the among difference is not similar. 3, 5, 7. So what will be the next? 30, difference 21, it means 9. Now look how we find out the next one. Look, every difference become some similarity, like here is 3, here is 5, here is 7, here is 9. So it means 3 plus 2 become 5, 5 plus 2 become 7, 7 plus 2 become 9. Okay, so same thing, this one 9 should become 11, right? Because here is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So 30 plus 11 become what? 41. This is very interesting thing. So next number, we already get our answer. Which one is 41? But what is n term? How we find out the n term? So second nth term. Before finding the term, we have to make how 6 become. Look, this one is first term. First term is 1. What is the difference? Look, what is the difference? Difference 3. But here is interesting thing, the difference is not 3. If we make 6, look similarity, here is 6 and here is 9. The difference is 3. But this one difference is 5. But every difference become another difference, this one is 2. So look, first term, if we make this one, if we think this one is square, so first term square plus what? 5. We have to make the first term. How first term become? So n square plus 5, it means n square means 1, 1 square means 1 plus 5, it makes 6. Next one, look, second term, again 2 square plus 5. So what is the answer? 2 square means 4 plus 5 is 9. Look, again third term, three square plus 5. 3 square means 9 plus 5 is 14. Look, this is 14. So if we get like this, here is 6, here is 9, here is 14, here is 21, here is 30, doesn't matter. matter if we change the number, we have to find out the difference. Then if difference is not similar, we should make another sequence. What is the difference? Look, this one is 3, this one is 5, this one is 7, this one is 9. So this difference is what? This difference is 2. Okay, so it's become square. Now look, fourth term, what? 4 square plus 5, it means 16, plus 5, it means 21. So very easy way we can write the nth term. So what? N square plus 5. Okay, this is our nth term. If we know the nth term, we can easily find out the 30th one. What is the 30th term? 30 square plus 5. So 30 square means 900 plus 5, it means 905. Okay, this is very easy. So what is the next one? 100 term. So 100 square plus 5, 100 square means 10,000, plus 5, it means 10005. Okay, very easy way we solve our sequence. So this sequence main part is find out the difference. Okay, thank you very much for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.